Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q5 headliner. First, ensure you have the right tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx bit set. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery. Next, gently pry off the A, B, C, and D pillar trim pieces. These are usually held by clips, so take your time to avoid damage. Now, let's move to the overhead components. Unscrew and detach both sun visors and their corresponding clips from the roof. Next, carefully remove the overhead console. This often involves prying it down gently and then disconnecting any electrical connectors for lights or sunroof controls. Finally, detach all the grab handles. They are usually secured with 2 screws hidden under small covers. With all the trim and components removed, it's time to free the headliner. Double-check for any remaining electrical connections, like those for the dome lights or sunroof, and disconnect them. Now, gently begin to lower the headliner, starting from the rear of the vehicle. It's a large, flexible piece, so take your time. Carefully maneuver it out through one of the rear door openings. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Take your time to ensure all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured. Before fully buttoning everything up, reconnect your battery and test all electrical components like lights and sunroof functions. This ensures everything works correctly. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.